The new Ferrari 12Cilindri was just officially revealed in Miami, and it will be replaces the 812 Superfast in the brand's lineup. At front, it reminds us of the iconic 365 GTB for Daytona with sharp headlights, DRLs, and a gloss black element between the lights. As the name implies, the 12-Cilindri is powered by 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12. It will able rev to 9,500 revolutions per minute and churn out 819 horsepower and 678 newton-meter of torque. Power is mated to an 8-speed dual-clutch gearbox mounted at the rear, which promises 30% quicker shifts than the 812's transmission. Given the 812 was one of the quickest shifting cars on the road, we can only imagine what this feels like. Ferrari says the 12-Cilindri can hit 0 to 100 km just in 2.9 seconds. A key upgrade made to the V12 is the adoption of titanium conrods, new aluminum alloy for the pistons and lightweight crankshaft. The changes don't stop there. The manifold and plenum are more compact. The torque curve has been optimized at all engine speeds, and new software has been installed to adjust the maximum torque available depending on the gear selected. As to be expected, brake-by-wire is fitted as standard ultra-advanced chassis control systems, Side Slip Control 8, which is designed to more quickly estimate tire grip levels and independent four-wheel steering. Speaking the cabin, you get the now traditional Ferrari steering wheel festooned with controls, a 10.25-inch infotainment display, while behind the steering wheel is a massive 15.6-inch driver display. An 8.8-inch display has also been installed for the passenger to enjoy. As expected, this V12 Ferrari won't be cheap. The 12-Cilindri costs $423,000 for the coupe and $466,000 for the convertible, while first deliveries are scheduled by end of this year.